Alright, I'm gonna go over how I did this ball valve install for the visibility spout up here. So I didn't want to completely remove it and just have the water spraying in here. So I wanted to have the option to turn it on or off. I know some other people have done their videos of how they've done it, but alright, so let's get started. I ordered this ball valve from Amazon. It was about $3 or so, and then I went and bought 3 of these just with some spares, and I cut off, I didn't really measure, but this is about, I don't know, maybe 2 inches or so. I'd probably cut off about 1 3/4 inches next time, because I had to try to move it over a little bit. You can see the nozzle's more to one side of the hose than it is to the other. But yeah, I mean, it's on there. The bucket doesn't hit. That was my concern. That's what you hear down here. It's not hitting it though. Say. It's out of the way. Cost about $5 in total. Well, I recommend using some of this because it's extremely difficult to put the hose on there. But yeah, I haven't tested it out, but everything feels pretty snug on here. I mean, these hoses aren't coming off for sure. Yep.